Hey, we got the hot tube mounted. Let's light it up. Get you in here where you can see it real easy. Give it a little gas. You know, you say, are you sure it's lit? Well, I can hear it. And there you can see it. Got a little extra flame coming out the top. But it's doing what it's supposed to do. Back it down just a little bit. Isn't that cool? Bump it up just for some cool effects. So there you are. The hot tube is ready. Next are the Oilers. We're going to go live probably tomorrow night. Come and join us. It'll be lots of fun. We're going to keep working on this and getting it running. See you soon.